Hi! In this video, we will show you how to install Tricentis Tosca. Once you've downloaded Tosca, double-click the Tricentis Tosca Setup executable. This opens the Tosca installer that guides you through the installation process. On the first page of the installer, accept the license terms and conditions to continue. For prerequisites, the following component should be ticketed by default. Click Next. Here, make sure Tosca Commander is selected and click on Next. The installer provides default destination folders for the installation of Tosca. If you want to change those folders, click Browse and select the destination folder you want to use instead. Click Next. To enable Tosca Diagnostics, select the checkbox. Tosca Diagnostics helps us to improve Tosca by sending anonymous usage statistics. On the next 3 screens, we're going to unselect a few features that are not included with the trial. If you'd like to see these features in action, please request a live demo on our website. As the Update Service feature is not included in the Tosca trial, please make sure the box is not ticked. Click on Next. Tosca Data Integrity is also not supported in the Tosca trial. Please make sure this box is left unticked. Click on Next. As Vision AI is also not supported in the trial, make sure to untick the box Install Tricentis Vision AI Engine. Click on Next. This page allows you to review the installation setup. Make sure the following features are selected and click on Install. Finally, the summary displays whether all components have been installed successfully. Click Finish to complete the installation. Congratulations! You've just installed Tosca.